name's Roger Atherton. Name of our company is Counter Effects by Roger. Not because I'm vain, but because there was already another Counter Effects, so we had to add the by Roger.
We have been in business since 2008. We actually started this company at the turn of a very bad economy. We started on literally a credit card.
We had two bridge saws.
Very, very used.
Two guys running them 10 hours a day, 5 days a week. So they were 50 hours a week each. We couldn't cut fast enough.
So when the Fusion first came in,
It was a game changer.
that's when we really began to start seeing the full benefit of the water jet and the cutting capability and the fact that you could nest pieces together and maximize the yield on a slab.
Game changer. So our whole shop, it's Park. Javelin,
Titan 2700,
Titan 3700,
Fastback 2, HydroClear Pro 95, and Slab Vision.
and Slab Vision.
My most favorite is gotta be the Javelin. The dual tables that it has just has been amazing improvement on the proficiency and efficiency of our company. We have cut 30 slabs a day in an 8-hour period on the Javelin.
I have to ask Josh, but I think it was 100 slabs in like 2 days. Josh, it was an incredible number.
Squirrel.
The machine itself, it's a beast. It just cuts and cuts and cuts, and it does a fantastic job.
The Javelin has just so many capabilities. It's sitting out there making us money.
And it's a damn good looking machine too.
Slab Vision has been a really good investment for us. The ability to get to the level of detail within each slab, there's nothing that gets past Slab Vision. They can see everything. We do one-on-one design help for clients that are coming in working on kitchen remodels and walk them through the process. And with the equipment that we have now, we can actually show them what their kitchen's gonna look like before we even cut anything. And then the layout pictures and images and everything are just, the quality of that is so good. We don't have to have customers come here. Always, we can send them the image electronically and they're comfortable with it. And we can easily make changes and modifications if there's anything that they're concerned with and then resend it back. So your approval process has probably been cut in half.
We had 6 or 8 hand polishers out there at one time before the first Titan.
The Titans are so consistent with the cutouts, the profiling, you can't get that with manual labor. As good as your guys are at what they do. When we got our second Titan, the machines interchangeably work together.
It's nice to go out back and see all the kitchens stacked up on carts ready to go out, and it's like, all right, there's some money sitting right there. I like to see 10 kitchens out there and ready to go. The Fastback. Get one. It'll pay for itself. It's the best investment a small shop can make.
We were spending $1,200 to $1,400 a month on water running through our operation. And that has now reduced down to like $200 and $300 a month. The HydroClear gets the water so much better that you can use that in so many other ways. We went from being that 7 to 10 day delay on those jobs to all of a sudden we're ready to install jobs in 3 and 4 days.
Which means we get paid faster.
We typically install 2,800 to 2,900 square feet a week.
We've never had any regrets whatsoever with going with Park. The advanced training that Park offers, I highly recommend it. You hate to lose your people for a week and send them to Minnesota to train, but when they come back, totally different. They really knew how to run these machines. Park really had the service down.
It wasn't like, okay, well, I'll get back to you tomorrow or in a few hours. And their sense of urgency met our sense of urgency. And if we needed a part overnighted or we needed something, they took care of that. The fact that it's made in America everything's local, Park is the only one that we would choose. If you're looking for a significant return on your investment with minimal downtime to get you up and running and a support network that is going to take you and continue with you through years and years after the sale, Park Industries is your solid choice. It's more than just a supplier of equipment to Counter Effects. It's a true partnership.